Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am taking a look at GoldHunter EA, an automated trading robot developed by Marwin Ishak Taki. According to the MQL5 Marketplace page, this is an MT5 expert advisor specifically designed for trading XAUUSD or gold. Starting with the marketplace overview, GoldHunter EA is currently listed at $199, comes with 10 activations, and is available in version 1.0. The developer describes it as a fully automated gold trading system built around price action rather than indicator-based trading. One thing that immediately stands out on the product page is the emphasis on simplicity and discipline, with the developer highlighting that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, or averaging down techniques. Looking further into the information provided, GoldHunter EA is designed exclusively for XAUUSD and the recommended time frame is M30. The developer also recommends using an ECN broker with low spreads and low commissions and suggests running the EA on a VPS for continuous operation. Now, when it comes to features, the main focus here appears to be fixed take profit and stop loss management. Every position is protected using predefined TP and SL levels, which means risk parameters are clearly defined before a trade is opened. The marketplace page provides several examples based on the lot size. For instance, a 0.01 lot configuration uses a TP and SL of $50, while larger lot sizes use proportionally larger targets and risk limits. Now, another notable aspect is the straightforward approach to automation. Once the EA is attached and configured, it operates without manual intervention. The developer also emphasizes that there are no complex setup requirements, making it relatively accessible for users who prefer a simpler installation process. Now, moving into the historical testing section, the marketplace page reports a gain of approximately $3,800 over a 3-month period using 0.1 lot size. And the developer also provides a larger projection for higher lot sizing, although it's important to remember that projections are not guarantees of future performance. And then looking at this backtested report that we have here, this showing us from an initial deposit of $5,000, total net profit was $6,934.59, and the total number of trades taken 81. Okay, let's just look at this information that was written here as well. So here we are seeing 3 months data resulted in $3,800 gain. Projection with a 1 lot over 3 months is $40,000, but with 0.1 lot it was about $3,800. Now let's just head over to our strategy tester so we can actually see how this EA performs in the market, right? We are going to be using 2026 data. So we are testing GoldHunter EA on XAUUSD on the M30 time frame as recommended. But we are just going to be running the test, from 2026, the beginning of 2026 till date. So that covers roughly around close to 5.5 months. It's not exactly up to 5.5, but a little bit less than 5 months, 2 weeks. So for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server and we're using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results, what we can see here is that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was negative 47.45, and the total number of trades taken were 67. Out of those 67 trades, 43 were profitable, giving us a 64.18% win rate. All right, and then we can also see that the largest profit was 20.17 and the largest loss was 50.03. The average profit was 18.94 and the average loss was 35.92. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite significant, right? You can see that. And then when you put that side by side with the win rate, it's not really surprising to see a little negative net profit, because the win rate is not exactly very good enough. All right, and then coupled with that, the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Okay, now as always, I will recommend running your own back tests over longer periods so that you can build a broader understanding of how the EA performs across different market environments. Based on the information provided, the strategy appears to revolve around price action based entries combined with fixed take profit and lot and stop loss protection. The absence of martingale grid systems and averaging down techniques suggests that each position is managed independently with predefined risk parameters rather than relying on recovery style trade management. Okay, so as for the overall historical performance, the results presented on the marketplace page, coupled with the results we are seeing with from our own back testing, should be viewed as historical testing performance only. Actual results can vary significantly depending on factors such as broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, lot sizing, account balance, and user optimization. Before considering live deployment, it is always a good idea to test the EA on a demo account and perform additional optimization to determine whether it aligns with your own risk tolerance and trading objectives. All right. So overall, the GoldHunter EA presents itself as a dedicated MT5 gold trading robot with a strong focus on fixed risk management, price action trading, and avoiding high risk recovery methods. If you are interested in automated gold trading, it's worth reviewing the marketplace information carefully and conducting your own testing before making any decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.